All right, guys, we're back in HD. Got the camera working.
You had it right here. I seen it right there.
Man, I like them chanclas.
Styling.
Boy, that hoe's clean. Boy, you styling. Boy.
And for those wanting an update on the Impala for the suspension and all that, it's been on the ground for a few months, but there's some Willwoods on it now. And now we're planning to take out the engine, right?
Planning on it.
And then what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna give it to a girl I like.
Well, what are you gonna put in here?
Your mom.
You can put it right there?
You can put your mom right there. She's gonna be like, oh my, I would love to. And then I'll be like, well, get in there, lady. We're gonna take out this motor, bro. And then I have a 6.0 that's getting cleaned up right now that I'm gonna rebuild. It's gonna be really fast. It's gonna sound like, and we're gonna put that in here. We got 2 motors coming in, and one is going in here. The other one might go in that 240. I don't know.
An LS?
Maybe.
I thought you wanted an RB.
I've been looking for an RB. I will do a 2J. I don't know. Just figure we got 2 motors, might as well make the most out of it, right?
All right, we missed it, but
Gonna turn to the hole. Get away from me!
I'm the Hulk.
oh, Ralph just hit his head on this thing.
Oh, I didn't, bro. It was just an act. I thought you were recording. I'm supposed to take this off, bro.
No. Oh yeah, there we go. Some of that. All right, we took off the bracket.
It's a whole lot of holes, bro. Honestly, bro, you don't even need all these screws. They just be doing extra so it can look cool and complicated. I would just put 1, 2, 3.
And be done, huh?
And be done, bro. But it didn't want to come off. It was like sitting in here. And it was all like messed up. And Luis was like, I can't get it. I was like, man, hold on. So like, I remember this technique I learned in China. You know, she's like, and then things like wiggled it, and then came right off.
Oh shit, bro, you gotta teach me that one day.
I would, bro, but I can't teach it to you because your soul is not pure. Ever since you did that thing with that guy in Vegas. All right, so Luis, we just took out the drive shaft.
Right here.
Luis insisted he take out that big long shaft. I told him I'd help him. He was like, no, I'll grab it by myself.
I'm the shaft expert.
Hell yeah, Shaftmeister.
Yeah, I'm good with the shaft, if you know what I mean.
Hell yeah. Cock. Anyway, hell yeah, so now we got that out. And some of this oil's dripping out from the transmission. We're gonna take off that oil pan so more oil can come out. And lube up this shaft. Alright, look at that thing. That thing's big. Look at that. Oh my god. You came back to die with your shirt. I'm under the car right now. I don't know if you can see me. I feel like, oh my god, I don't know what happened. It's about 11 p.m. and this girl comes over, and then all of a sudden she's showing me some bite mark on her, and she starts making weird noises. She's like, ah! And I don't know what's going on, man. She had blood all over her. Please, if you're watching this, send help. Oh, look, bro, we already made one video showing this, but Luis wasn't recording, so he wants me to do this again. The things I do for views. I almost touched that, bro. I'm not gonna touch it though. It's nasty. It's messed up that you let me do bad stuff, bro. That's why my dad doesn't let you come over anymore.
I thought you just wanted cancer.
You think I care about life, bro? You think I care about stuff, bro? I don't care about nothing, bro. Nah, you guys are weird. If you wanted me to touch that, you're a freak and you have issues, and go to a therapist.
You need help with that?
Oh, my motherfucking Jeep. I got this shit.
There we go. Good save. You're welcome.
It's a good thing I thought about it to hold it in the corner.
Yeah.
Looks like syrup.
You can drop it.
Hey, we should eat some Waffle House after this. That'd be so good.
Waffle House? Did we open?
Fucking hash browns. It's open 24/7, stupid.
I didn't go to my first Waffle House till I was 18.
Your mom wouldn't let you go, right?
No, there wasn't any in Kansas.
Nah?
No. We had IHOPs. We did have one, yeah. My mom wouldn't have let me go.
Why? She let you go to them ghetto ass parties?
No, she didn't.
You just sneak out.
I had to sneak out. You can put it back now. Just put it back and put some bolts in.
But
The whole purpose was to like drain it, so when we're taking it out, it doesn't spill fluid everywhere.
Damn. I should have saved all the bolts. I don't remember where they're going now.
There's one right by you.
How does this go again?
I don't know, bro. I just got here. Yeah, I'll help you with it.
I think it's like this.
We got tired of working on the car.
It's getting a little frustrating. So, I think what's more frustrating is
Frustrated?
that. Shut up. The most frustrating part about it is that the last time I was home, just like, actually, we're home and working on it, was about 2-3 weeks ago, and I didn't put up any of my tools. Cause in my mind, I was like, I'm gonna be on this again tomorrow. So I put up no tools, and yeah, I don't know where some of the tools were at. Some of them were missing, and we're like right there, you know.
So right now we're trying to take out this radiator core, so we can take out the engine, and just this plastic piece is holding us back. So I think if we remove these splash guards, it'll pop out, then this will pop out, and it'll be a good day. Go to Waffle House.
Take a Waffle House break.
Have the master mechanic Ralph figure out how to take off the core without taking off the bumper. I don't even know how you do that. Look at that.
Just gotta fucking. There we go. Move that shit back down.
Oh shit, we got some wires. I'm gonna put this down.
DDP me, bro.
Do what? Repeat that?
I said DDP me, bro. DDP me, bro.
Alright, whatever.
Is it catching on something? Bitch. I'm gonna have to raise it.
Alright, update. We're almost there again.
It's only 4 a.m.
Is it 4 a.m., bro?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go to sleep, bro.
Let's do a little high, bro. Keep going.
Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up.
Do you want me to lift this up?
Yeah, it's out. When I got here, what did I say?
Said we're gonna take this motherfucker out
Tonight.
Yeah.
And what did we do?
We took this baby out, baby.
Wait, right to that.
I'm doing it, Luis. I'm doing it.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah. Yeah.
All right in the motor. Where we're going, we don't need roads. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Ride 'em, cowboy. I'm riding this like a longhorn. Yeah, get along, little doggies. Get along. It's still recording.
Yes, it's still recording.
Get along, little doggies. Get along. That's always a good sign. All right.
Forgot to say I love you.
I don't love nobody.
All right, so it's 4 a.m., 4:30 in the morning. Finally got the engine out. Final thoughts.
The more we had to take off to get the motor out, the more I realized I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get the next one in there. I mean, put it all back. But that's tomorrow's problem. I'm focused on today's victory, which is we caught this 1,000-pounder straight out of the Atlantic Ocean. She gave us a fight, but we pulled her. We got her. Just had to get behind Luis and grab him by the hips, and he grabbed onto the engine by the hips, and we just pulled. So we pulled that puppy out the ocean. It came out. I said, "Gronya, gronya." Felt like it was wrestling an alligator. Wrestling an alligator. Gronya, gronya, get on ya, get on ya. Get on there, boy. Hey on ya. We did it.
So yeah,
We got it, man. Pulled out the LT1. Caught us a 1,000-pounder LT1 straight out the swamp. You know how I go. That's all I got for you, bro.
yeah, I'm just recording to see how far you would get. I was gonna stop it like 30 seconds ago.